With our Universal File Conversion Suite, you can convert any 3D scan or file for whatever your need is. We'll start with the extraction of an open frame from a pre-uploaded E57 file of a facility. From the toolbar on the left, select the Origin tool and set the 4 reference points for the model. Once that's set, select the Open Frame tool and set the width of the frame by selecting a start and end position. Next, set the length and the height of the frame. After that, place points to set the spacing of the columns and tiers, and the system will space them evenly. From your scene list on the left, select Origin and Open Frame, then click on the ODSM button to export your frame. If you have any additional frames, delete your current selection points and repeat the process. Remember to keep the origin checked in the scene when defining another frame. With edge detection, selecting points for frames is simple and intuitive. The system can only export a single frame at a time, but these can be easily stitched together into a layout model using our integrator. Once in the integrator, select the Exchange menu from the top, then choose Import Model. From the drop-down, select From ODSM and select the files you exported earlier. The models will be placed on the grid based on the origin points you set in the viewer. And that's how you extract an open frame from your scan using IDS UFC.